Hope you're okay. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Tapo app for your Tapo smart devices on an Android or an iPhone. So the Tapo app is basically the app that is used to control any smart devices that you have from Tapo. As you can see from me, I have the Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug, and this is the Tapo P100 version. So you can check out subsequent videos I've created on this, including the setup process and the unboxing. But for you to be able to control these devices, you first need to download and install the app on your phone. So let's get right into it. So simply go into the Play Store. So find the Play Store app on your device, whether you're on Android or iPhone, or if you're using an iPhone, simply use the App Store. Then once you're here, simply tap on search and then type in Tapo or TP-Link Tapo, and it's going to bring you to this page where you'll find the TP-Link Tapo app. So ensure it's from TP-Link Systems Inc. and then simply tap on install. And depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, it's going to download and install on your device. So be patient as you wait for that to happen. And once the installation is complete, you'll be able to either open it from here or simply proceed to the app drawer where you'll be able to launch it. So you can simply tap on open or go into the app drawer and find it from here. So tap on that. And if it's your first time using this, you'll be prompted to check these options. So the first one is optional, to join the user experience improvement program. The most important one is this one. Simply tap on I accept the privacy policy and confirm that I have fully read and understood the terms of use, and then simply select continue. Now at this point, you're going to be prompted to create a TP-Link ID or to log in to your TP-Link ID if you have one. So once you download and install the app, you're now going to proceed with the rest of the steps. But that's basically how to get this app on your phone. So like I said, you can be able to get this app on either Android or iPhone. So make sure you leave any questions that you may have down below. But until the next one, take care and God bless.